What's up, YouTube fans? So, I didn't find this out until after I got back from the racetrack, which was last weekend, not this past weekend, which is right now. From the tractor pull update, which is what I'm making this video about. As I was loading the tractor into the trailer, I had heard Steven come up to my cousin Joseph and tell him, "Hey, you have prize money," which I didn't know there was really any prize money at this event. So, "Hey, you got prize money, you got second place. You got second place. You'll get your prize money." As he was helping me get the tractor tied down, because I had to, go back down to the house to get my car to go home. So I go to Dover the next week, and of course my man Chase Elliott. I haven't even opened the sweatshirt yet because it's been so freaking hot out. Chase Elliott. And so he won, yay. And so yeah, kind of found out that he got second place. But turns out he won. Yeah. So yeah. I don't know what happened. And that green tractor, the one that I always show you guys when it's out of gas, apparently from what Steven told me, it was an electrical issue. I guess with the MSD box or something, where it wasn't causing the engine to, firing. And when he got it back up there to put it in the trailer, it's the only one pull. When I got up there to put it back in the trailer, it wouldn't even start back up. So, I don't know. I guess they have it figured out now. I don't know. We'll find out when we go to the next pull. Or when they go. I might not go because, come to find out, there's the Monster Truck Show coming to FedEx Field. Hopefully they don't tear the grip. Anyway, that's another video. Anyway, what this is about, and it was basically that I didn't know that he got first place. Like I said, you guys have seen the run. I haven't reacted to it. I'll just react to it. And it was an amazing run to see. And yeah. So let's just take a look at this together. And it's an amazing reaction. Like I said, I have no idea what he did. Because I was being towed back there. So let's take a look at this together. On the PlayStation with surround sound. Here we go.
Something's not 100% right. Let's see if he'll get it back going.
Steven did a great job narrating this too. Thanks, bro. Can y'all see that?
Now, in the second time on a tractor called Blaster. It's a good-looking tractor previously owned by Pete Yarrington. Well-built tractor. I've seen it lots of times, and it always runs good. He's getting it backed up to the sled. And let's see how he does. He's going to get on down there, so I'm going to get out there.
400 cubic inch. I'm sorry, not 306. 400 cubic inch small block. Big block.
There we go.
Straight line. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful.
There we go. Good run by Mr. Wells. Great second run on that tractor. Happy to see him do it well.
That was beautiful, wasn't it? Oh my goodness. We've usually seen that tractor all over the place. And somebody at the last minute told him to go put some weight on the front, At the first time he drove that tractor, he didn't even have enough weight on that thing. That thing, like I said, is a fiberglass chassis. The one he has now is what I'm driving. Is a steel chassis. So, completely different setup. So, let's take a look at the reaction here. So, of course, mine as well, as you all see.
I know we got a hat happy camper here.
Look, I never tell you breaking out this day perfect straight. I sat down on the other end. I said, there it is.
Go to run
Something's
tractor
wrong,
right
Star.
there. We got some happy campers down there. I see 2 smiles. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Back up a little bit. Back up.
How'd you record that? Yeah. Yo, that's the best that thing's ever done. Yeah, man, I'm happy.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that was beautiful, guys. Yeah, man, I'm so pumped right now. Yeah, I can't wait. I might even beat this dude. Oh, yeah. We'll find
Referring
out.
to Steven.
Send you guys another video. Hell
I don't
yeah,
even
brother.
I still don't know what Steven did because he can't send me the video because of Google stuff.
You see that, right?
Yes, sir.
You see that, right?
Oh, yeah. I think I jumped in better than you have.
She picked him up, man. Left him there. I left him there, didn't I?
Oh, yeah. Look good. Look real good. I think I turned it better than you ever.
Daggone, man. Wow, that was I've never seen him that happy before, man. That was beautiful, man. And he like I said, that pool is on the schedule again for this month. I'm gonna be honest, I highly doubt I'm gonna go back up there. It's the same pretty much setup. We go up there, but we don't pull until it's that time of night. And then you gotta go all the way back home. Like, what? So, yeah. You only pull up there once. So, I mean, it's probably free. It is free, though, but, yeah. It's a lot of gas going up there, and no. I don't think I want to do it. So, it was fun the first time, but I don't think I'm going to do it. So, but yeah, congratulations, cuz I didn't know he won. So that was beautiful to see. I'm not sure who got second. Like I said, I hadn't had a chance to see all the pools because, like I said, being my camera, I got the camera back from him, and I got some of the videos that I recorded on this one because this is when I got the camera back, and then I left. So I told Steven to record what he could and send it to me, but he hasn't been unable to do so. He has recorded the footage, but he hasn't been able to get it to me, so I don't know, like I said, what's happened, what's going on. I would love to see it, but, you know, sometimes it happens like that, you guys, you know, technology. It works, but there's always flaws, so, you know, it is what it is, man. So, anyway, there's plenty of pools. Like I said, we're just getting out the hole, and I just got another schedule that's even longer than the first one I got. This one is 2 pages long. Oh my gosh. So, we're going to have some fun this year, guys. So, got a lot to look forward to. And we've already started the gearing change, and the tractor just went down and started the process. It was raining, and tried to do some of it in the trailer, but some of it cuz forgot. I guess he was kind of rushing. I don't know what he was thinking about. I guess he tried to do 2 things at once and forgot that he had to actually take the axles out, and realized that after we started taking apart in the trailer that we should have actually put it in the barn, which is what we talked about in the first place. But I thought maybe he knew something that I didn't. So, you know, like I said, my first time doing all this stuff. So, anyway, talking about that, and talking about the starter problem. So that's gonna be getting fixed tomorrow, and then I gotta address that left brake problem too. That's the other thing. The reason why I did that too is because, first of all, it was going that way, and I turned to the left. But I remember my very first time I drove that truck, I was very scared at that time too. And he was told me I was using way too much of it. He said, "Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it." ever since I've been driving that tractor since then, I've never been touching it. So I started to. I hit it a little bit. I said, oh, wait, no, I don't need to do that. I said, it's going to hurt me. It's going to slow it down even more. I ain't going to go as far. So it's just straighten it back up on its own. It didn't do it that time. And plus, the one that I was going to hit, the left one, was straightened back up, was the one that gets jammed up there. So that was be the one that was wouldn't help anything in the situation there either. So that's the other thing I got to look at. I'll remind him about that tomorrow as well. But anyway, that's the update, you guys. I just didn't realize that he had won. I wanted to let you all know that. Because it's not I don't know how much he won. You know, I'm not putting that out here on YouTube, so it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to you guys. I would like to know, but it doesn't matter to you guys. I'm not telling you how much I got my car for. I told you how many miles it has on it, but I'm not telling you how much I got the car for. So, anyway, so check you guys in another tractor pull video, and we'll see y'all when we do the cold start of it. Well, I don't know. We might do the cold start sooner than that because I'll be doing a cold start to put it back into the thing. Yeah. We'll see. I might get that cold start then. So, check you guys later on. Peace.